हेलो फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज मैं लेकर आई हूँ मौर्यन एम्पायर की एमसीक्यू। सो नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट अ वीडियो विदाउट वेस्टिंग द टाइम। हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ मौर्यन डायनेस्टी? ऑप्शन है बिंदुसारा, अशोका, चंद्रगुप्ता मौर्य, नन। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, that is Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya was the founder of Mauryan dynasty. Who was called as Sandracotus and Androcotus by Justin the Greek scholar? Options है Chandragupta Maurya, Chandragupta I, Chandragupta II, and Samudragupta. Correct answer is option number A, that is Chandragupta Maurya. So Chandragupta Maurya was also called as Sandracotus or Androcotus by Justin the Greek scholar. Who wrote Arthashastra? Options है Kautilya, Bindusara, Asoka, Megasthenes. करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर ए, दैट इज कौटिल्य, और कौटिल्य को चाणक्य भी कहा जाता है। हु रोट द प्ले मुद्रा राक्षसा? ऑप्शन है रक्षिता, कौटिल्य, बहा, भद्रबहु, विशाखा दत्ता। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी, दैट इज विशाखा दत्ता। हु वाज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ चंद्रगुप्ता मौर्य? ऑप्शन है रुद्रदमन, कौटिल्य, विष्णुगुप्ता एंड चंद्रगुप्ता। Correct answer is option number B, that is Kautilya. Kautilya was the prime minister of Chandragupta Maurya. Who wrote Indica? Options है Homer, Megasthenes, Michelangelo, Socrates. Correct answer है option number B, that is Megasthenes. With whom is Junagar rock inscription associated? Options है Rudradaman, Bimbisara, Chandragupta II, and none. So the correct answer is option number A, that is Rudradaman. And Junagar rock inscription is also known as Girnar rock. The longest pillar edict of King Ashoka was 7th, 2nd, 3rd or 6th. So the correct answer is option number A, that is 7. So the longest pillar edict of King Ashoka was 7th. The inscription on Sogura copper plate is in the dash script. Option है Tamil, Telugu, Brahmi, Parsi. Correct answer is option number C, that is Brahmi, and it is issued by Chandragupta Maurya. Ashoka's inscription was first deciphered by options A, James Princip, Buller, Robert Sewell, Codrington. And the correct answer is option number A, that is James Princip, and it was first deciphered in the year, that is 1837, written in Prakrit language. Who sent the Greek ambassador Megasthenes to the court of Chandragupta Maurya? Options A, Seleucus, Ptolemy, Dionysius, Sikander. And the correct answer is option number A, that is Seleucus. Who was the cause of King Chandragupta's death? Option A, what was the cause of King Chandragupta's death? Option A, died in battle, poisoned by sun, slow starvation, and natural death. And the correct answer is option number C, that is slow starvation, which is also known as Salekana, or it's called a fasting, due to fasting. Who among the following is the oldest dynasty? Options are Maurya, Gupta, Kushan, Kanva. And the correct answer is option A, Maurya. Which of the following was the contemporary of Alexander the Great? Options are Bimbisara, Chandragupta Maurya, Ashoka, Pushyamitra Singha. And the correct answer is option number B, that is Chandragupta Maurya. Who was the father of Bindusara? Options are Ashoka, Chandragupta Maurya, Kunala, none. And the correct answer is option number B, that is Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya was the father of Bindusara. The Mauryan king Bindusara was also known as Amitrosats as per this text. Option है Jain, Greek, Chinese, all of the above. And the correct answer is option number B, that is Greek. Who was the Syrian ambassador in the court of Bindusara? Options are Megasthenes, Dimachus, Dionysius, and Mithridates. And the correct answer is option number B, that is Dimachus. And Dimachus was sent by the Antiochus I, the Seleucid king of Syria. Who said the word conquer the land between the two seas? Options A. Samudragupta, Ashoka, Bindusara, Harshavardhan. And the correct answer is option number C, that is Bindusara. So the Taranat, the Buddhist monk, credits him for the conquering the land between the two seas. Who was the greatest Mauryan ruler and also the governor of Taxila and Ujjain previously? Options A. Ashoka, Bindusara, Chandragupta, none. And the correct answer is option number A, that is Ashoka. Which king built Chanchit Stupa? Options A. Brihadrata, Ashoka, Chanakya, Nanda. Correct answer is option number B, that is Ashoka. So Ashoka built Chanchit Stupa. In which language were the Ashoka's inscription written? Options A. Devanagari, Sanskrit, Tamil, Brahmi script. And the correct answer is option number D, that is Brahmi script. Kalinga war took place in options A. Bihar, West Bengal, Orissa, Uttar Pradesh. And the correct answer is option number C, that is Orissa. How many lions are there in Ashoka's tomb? Options A. 3, 2, 4. And the correct answer is option number C, that is 4. So there are total 4 lions in Ashoka's tomb. Which religion did Emperor Ashoka adopt? Options are Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam and Sikhism. And the correct answer is option number B, that is Buddhism. So Emperor Ashoka adopted Buddhism after the Kalinga war. And the last question for today's video, that is Ashoka died in the year options A. 332 BC, 240 BC, 220 BC, 250 BC. Option A, that is 232 BC. So the correct answer is option number A, that is 232 BC. So thank you for watching.